All right, the decision has been made. These braids are coming out tonight, one by one. So I am proud of myself. Like these braids in general, not just the short part, but they had a good run. I mean, I believe this is 4 weeks. I was trying to get to 5, which would have been next week is my thought, but honestly, when this stuff starts looking dry, it's not cute. It's not. You have to keep it like really moisturized. So, because I'm not doing any of that, I've decided I'm just going to take these out. I'm going to slick my hair back in a ponytail. I'm not going to wash it. I'm going to do what everybody thinks I should do. Even I think I should do it. But nope. All right, got them all cut. Now let's just... But it seems to be coming out fairly easy. My hair feels soft. It doesn't feel dry right now, but I know tomorrow my hair is going to be so dry. Woohoo! Okay, last one. All right, so the braids are out. Oh, the nails are terrible, but the braids are out. And it's still going. There's this hair here. I'll just add this to the bunch. Ooh. I mean, this is a lot. I won't really know what the damage is until I officially blow dry and you know, see what needs to be trimmed. But this is a lot. A lot came out. I think I had these braids in for 4 or 5 weeks. I'll confirm when I edit. But wow. I mean, maybe that's a lot, maybe it's not. I don't know. These look longer than they used to. But it's still just like, I don't know if I did a good thing or a bad thing to my hair. I know I need a trim. I can see that already. A trim has to happen. Like, these ends are not looking great. And I think a lot of it came from the fact that I was not taking care of my hair while it was in the braids. I wasn't moisturizing it, which was the whole point of the braids, really. But I just got lazy and I opted out. I did not tie my hair down most nights. Didn't even put moisturizer on my hair while it was in the braids. Most days it was dry. A lot. I remember recording saying, gosh, this is dry. All the time. I would say all the time. So this is what happens, you know? This is what happens. It's like a whole bun. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna cut more, depending upon how this goes. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm gonna color my hair, deep condition it, and then I'll show you the blow drying process. And maybe I'll show you the deep conditioning process too, but I'm gonna do those things. I'm gonna love on her because I've been very abusive. and negligent to my hair, and she deserves more than that. So we'll be back. All right, my rice water is in here. Ooh, look how much my hair has shrunk. Just rub this rice water in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my conditioner. No, I keep thinking I cut my hair. It's likely. All right, so got my conditioner in. I'm definitely gonna have to do a trim. I don't know. I think those times when my hair got dry, I really did some damage to my hair, because like, this is a lot. I need to count up how long I've had these braids in. I don't know, I think it was like 4 or 5 weeks, maybe 5 weeks, but definitely gonna need a trim because we lost a lot of hair. I don't know what it's gonna put my hair at, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna sit for several hours with this deep conditioner on, and then I'll rinse it out and I'll blow dry it, and you will see, and we will trim. Okay.